Joint Vance is marketed as a triple-action joint supplement that improves mobility, reduces inflammation, and rebuilds cartilage. But the real question is whether it actually supports joint health or just follows the usual supplement playbook. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Joint supplements commonly use ingredients like glucosamine, chondroitin, and anti-inflammatory extracts, which can support joint health in some people. So the concept itself is real. However, here's the key point. The ingredients are familiar, but the results are modest, slow, and not guaranteed. What it actually does well may support mild joint comfort. Joint Vance includes common ingredients used for joint support, which may help reduce stiffness and improve mobility slightly over time. Targets lubrication and inflammation. It focuses on things like joint lubrication, hyaluronic acid, and inflammation control, which are real factors in joint health. Where it falls short, not a strong or guaranteed solution. Scientific evidence for key ingredients like glucosamine is mixed. Some people benefit, others feel nothing. Overhyped marketing, claims like rebuild cartilage or restore joints, are much stronger than what supplements can realistically do. No fast results. Joint health improves slowly. There's no instant relief, despite how it's advertised. So, does it actually support joint health? Short answer, a little for some people, but not in a major way. It may help with mild discomfort or stiffness. It will not repair joints or reverse conditions like arthritis. Results are inconsistent and slow. It uses standard joint support ingredients, so it can provide small, gradual benefits for some users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.